Hello students, this is lesson number 2, addition. Today we are going to learn about estimation of sum of two numbers. Estimation is when we do not give an actual value but guess a value close to the actual value. Estimation makes our calculation faster and easier. For example, if a dozen of mangoes cost rupees 485, 485, we can say that they cost about rupees 500. We can round off the value of an item to the nearest 10 or 100. Rounding off is a kind of estimation. It doesn't give you the actual value, but it gives you the value which is much closer to the actual value. Now see here, rounding off to the nearest 10. Whenever we are supposed to round off the given number to the nearest 10, we are supposed to look at the ones place of the given number. We must see which digit is there at the ones place. If the ones digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am repeating. If the ones digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, keep the tens digit as it is and replace the ones digit by 0. For example, see here, 53. We are supposed to round it off to the nearest 10. Look at the ones digit. It is 3. So what we are supposed to do? Tens digit we will keep as it is, and at the tens place we are having here 5. And then we are going to replace the ones digit by 0. So this 3 will become 0. So round 53 can be rounded off to the nearest 10 as a 50. Next is 81. Children, look at the ones place. We are having 1. So we are not going to change the tens digit. Here tens digit is 8. We are going to write it as it is, that is 8, and 1 will change into 0, or we can replace 1 by 0. So 81 can rounded off to the nearest 10 as 80. Next is the 73. Children, as ones place is having digit 3, we are not going to change the tens digit. We will write tens digit as it is, that is 7, and the ones digit we will replace it by 0. So 73 can round off to the nearest 10 as a 70. Understood this? Now come to the next concept, that is if the ones digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we are going to increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. So here for example we are taking three different examples we have taken. First one is a 49. Children, see here at the ones digit we are having 9. Okay, that means this tens digit will increase by 1. So we will write down 4 will change into 5. So we will increase. As we increase the tens digit by 1, we will get 5. And as we have done before that, the ones digit will change into 0. So 59 can round off to the nearest 10 by 50. Now next is 65. Children, here at the ones digit we are having 5. So we will increase tens digit by 1. So 6 will become 7 and we will write 0 at ones place. So 65 is rounded off to the nearest 10 as a 70. Next is 36. Now at is ones place we are having 6. So tens place will increase by 1. So 3 will change into 4 and ones place we will write 0. So 36 can round off to the nearest 10 as 40. Understood? Children, now let's see how we can round off the given number to the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100, for that again we are going to check the particular digit. To round off the number to the nearest 10, we have concentrated on the ones place. Here we will concentrate on tens place. Okay, we will check which digit is there at the tens place. Okay, so your focus must be on the tens place. Now see here, if the tens digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, keep the hundreds digit as it is and replace tens as well as ones. Okay, here both the digits, that is tens digit and the ones digit, we will replace them with 0. Okay, now see, for example here 238, we are going to round it off to the nearest 100. We will concentrate on the tens digit. We will not see which digit is there at the ones place. Okay, because whatever digit will be there at the ones place, it is going to be changed into 0. Okay, we are going to replace it with 0. Fine. So concentrate on this digit which is present at the tens place. Now it is 3. So when we are having 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the tens place, we are not going to change this hundreds place digit. So that digit we will write as it is. So what digit is there at the 100 place? We are having 2 at the hundreds place. So we will write down 2 as it is. We are not going to increase it as we are having the digit 3 at the tens place. So now change the tens and ones digit with 0. So 238 can round off to the nearest 100 as 200. Now let's come to the next example, 725. Though at the ones place we are having digit 5, we will not consider it for rounding off. We will consider tens digit as we want to round off to nearest 100. So tens digit we are having 2. So we're not going to change hundreds digit. We will keep the hundreds digit as it is. Okay. So write down 7 as it is and replace tens and ones place by 0. So it will be 700. Now come to the next. That is, if tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Instead of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, if the tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we are going to increase the hundreds digit by 1 and replace the tens and ones digit by 0. Okay. Now children, here example I have taken 382. For rounding off to nearest 100, we are going to concentrate on tens place. So here it is 8. When the digit at the tens place are 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we will increase the hundreds place by 1. So here 3 will increase by 1 will give us 4 and tens and ones place will replace by 0. So rounding off 382 to the nearest 100 will give us 400. Now next example I have taken here 551. Concentrate on the tens place. Here we are having 5. So when we are having the digit 5, we are supposed to increase hundreds digit by 1. So at the hundreds place we are having 5 which will increase by 1 and become 6. So we will write down here 6 and tens and ones place we will replace by 0. So 551 round off to the nearest 100 as 600. So understood up to here how to round off the numbers to the nearest 10 and 100. For rounding off to the nearest 10, we will concentrate on ones place digit, and for rounding off the number to the nearest 100, we will concentrate on the tens digit. Now